that he repeatedly refused to give a straight answer to. We'll tell you what it is coming up.
SiriusXM presents a brand new exclusive show with former UN ambassador, governor, and presidential candidate Nikki Haley on Nikki Haley Live.
Join me on Nikki Haley Live, a show where we talk about facts, policies that affect your family, stories from... Are you like millions of Americans who avoided filing their taxes this year because you're afraid?
What if something happens to you?
Or even hundreds of thousands of dollars? Well, you don't need to be afraid anymore. Tax Relief Advocates has the solution. We can file your back tax years and may be able to reduce or even eliminate what you owe. With over 1,000 five-star reviews on Google and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, we've helped over 100,000 Americans just like you permanently and painlessly resolve their IRS debt. A resolution specialist is waiting to speak to you now, who will let you know what tax debt reduction you may qualify for. Don't wait. End your tax nightmare today by visiting PRA.com or call our tax relief hotline now to see what you qualify for at 800-277-4619. 800-277-4619. That's 800-277-4619. Tax Relief Advocates. Real solutions for real people.
Kamala Harris was raised by a working mother who instilled in her a passion for justice, wife, and kids. What if something happens to you?
Plus, with 12-month...
Those are the three keys to a First Mark Challenge victory, and man, am I so glad Molly and I took the challenge. We are one of so many through a decade plus of being a First Mark Challenge victory. You can too. Just simply go to firstmarkinsurance.com. Firstmarkinsurance.com.
For about 5 miles.
DR Horton Home by taking advantage of their National Red Tag Sales event going on right now through October 20th. Stop by any of their participating communities and find select Red Tag homes